Morning students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. You all know that we were studying lesson number 5, nouns, gender in English language. Today we will do the last two exercises of lesson 5, that is exercise F and G. Fill the exercise in the book only and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Today we have studied about common gender. What is common gender? Common gender can be both male and female. So it becomes common gender. Like students, for example, students can be both female and male. Parents can be also both male and female. Principal, like fox, vixen, these are animals. They are also male and female. So these are common genders. Today we have studied about common gender. Dear student, fill the exercise in the book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, start the work. Students, you all know that we are starting lesson number 5, nouns, gender. So today we will study about common gender. Firstly, I will tell you what is common gender. Common gender can both be male and female. So it becomes a common gender. Like mother, father. The common gender will be parents. Parents could be both mother and father, right? Like this, a student is sitting in the class. Student can be both male and female. The definition of common gender is a noun that refers to both male and female. It's said to be common gender. Like I have already told you about parent, mother and father. They are both male and female, so they commonly called as parent. In principle, again, they are both male and female. Let's read some examples of common gender. That is cook, teenager, thief, servant, relative, people, enemy, neighbor, partner, colleague, writer, singer, friend, leader, teacher, doctor. They are the examples of common gender. Now, exercise F. So write down classwork. Put the date, that is 8 July 2021. F. Underline the masculine, feminine and common genders. Write them under their correct heading. There is a paragraph. I will read it. Granny was alone in the house. So granny is a feminine gender. You will underline it. Her grandson had gone to meet his parents. Grandson is a masculine gender. Then parents is a common gender. Underline it. She finished her routine work and went to the market to buy daily provisions. She went to the grocery store first and gave the list to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is a common gender. There were other women before her, but the shopkeeper attended to Granny. Woman is feminine gender. Granny is feminine gender. After that, she went to the lady who sold vegetables. Lady is again feminine gender. Granny's nephew dropped her back home in his car. Nephew is masculine gender. Now, masculine is grandson, nephew. Feminine is granny, woman and lady. Then common is parents and shopkeeper. So write these words in these blanks. Now exercise G. Circle the common gender nouns given in the box and make sentences using each. kitten, baby, dancer, piglet, member, leader, servant, people. They all are the common gender. So you all have to circle it, and then we will make sentences through it. Number 1. A kitten entered into the kitchen quietly. Underline kitten. Second one. The baby was sleeping in the cradle. So underline baby. Third one. The famous dancer set the stage on fire. So underline dancer. Fourth one. Children can feed newborn piglets. Underline piglets. My father is a board member of his organization. Underline member. The leader addressed the crowd. Underline leader. Seventh one. The servant prepared lunch for everyone. And eighth one. Underline servant. Eighth one. We are just ordinary people. Right? So underline people. Here we completed exercise G. In this exercise, we have to circle the common nouns. We have circled it, the common nouns, and then we have to make sentences using these common nouns. So we have made these sentences. Dear student, fill the exercise F and G in your English language book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, we have completed lesson number 5, nouns, gender. Show me your work in the WhatsApp group. Students, I hope you have completed your work. Then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. That's all for today, students. Your homework is learn the exercise F and G. So here we have completed our lesson number 5, nouns, gender. Students, on Friday there will be an English activity. So be prepared with your charts, art sheets, colors, pencil and eraser. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.